This is probably my most vulnerable video I've ever done, but I wanted to be honest because I feel like this is important and a lot of people can probably relate. This is the heaviest I've ever been in my life. I'm not gonna try to get emotional. It has truly made me feel super insecure with my body and the way I dress, the way I feel. My confidence has been extremely low. And it may not seem like it in photos and videos, but mentally, I'm not there like I used to be. So that's why I'm trying Noom's GLP program because it's affordable. They have highly effective weight management medication and it adapts your protocol accordingly to give you the best results and experience. So it's a perfect all in all. My goal for this program is to lose 20 pounds by the end of the year, and I personally think that I can do it. I'm of course gonna still incorporate 3 times a week workouts at the gym, but I'm honestly excited for this experience and this journey, and I can't wait to document it all. Let's open this baby up. So this is what comes in my kit. Medication comes in this silver bag, little bag of syringes. I also have an app which is really cool. I've been using it to track my meals. It also tracks your steps. It's like an all-in-one app. You can also message your provider, your doctor, and your coach through that app, which is really cool. So Noom has a lot to offer, which I really love because coming from someone who doesn't have any experience using semaglutide at all, I need all the guidance that I can possibly get. Lifting up my shirt, I'm gonna inject it right at the bottom, right here. Make sure everything's clean. Taking another alcohol pad. That was so tiny of a needle. I did not even feel it. Okay, week 1 done. That was pretty easy. And again, the needle was like super tiny, which I appreciated because, I mean, I'm not scared of needles, but injecting myself is always a little weird. But overall, really good experience. I can't wait to see the results the next couple of days.